hopefully one day I'll also be able to make it there.
How's Tamasha shaping up? Deepika, tell us about that also, because you're waiting कि हाँ क्या होने वाला है ना next. हाँ fitness partner.
So Tamasha is my next release. Tamasha is my next release. We're releasing on the 27th of November. And I'm excited. The film is ready. I have just about 4 or 5 days of work left. But the film is ready, and that is my next release. So I'm very excited.
अपने आप को कैसे फिट रख पाते हैं? शूटिंग के दौरान इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होता है, तो अपने फिटनेस का राज है ऑडियंस।
Actually, in the last 10 days, मुझे, I don't think I've needed to work out because we just finished shooting a song for Bajirao Mastani, and Priyanka and I were dancing for 8 or 10 hours a day for 10 days non-stop. So it has been very, very hectic. Now, with the promotion coming to an end, maybe I can go back to my, like he said, Pilates. Now, with the promotion coming to an end, maybe I can go back to my, like he said, Pilates. ऐसे उन्होंने कहा मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे इरफान खान के साथ भी काम करने का मौका मिला है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई कैन वर्क विद रणबीर कपूर एज वेल. आई थिंक it's very, and Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan. I think it's exciting for me as an actor that I have that range, that I can work with different people and work in different kinds of films. बहुत ही बढ़िया. And इस साल अगर आप मुझे पूछेंगे कि which film would you like to be a part of, I think Dil Dhadakne Do is one of those films that I really wish that I was a part of. Zoya is a very close friend, and she had given me the script to read just for some feedback, and it's a fantastic film. It's a fantastic film. It's a fantastic script. I hope the film has shaped up as well as the script has, and I'm really looking forward to that.
Okay, thank you. अगर आज बॉम्बे वेलवेट रिलीज हो रही है, लेकिन फिर भी टीकू बहुत सारी सिनेमाघरों में अभी भी लगी हुई है जी. What's your take on that? अब तक लोग पसंद करके आ रहे हैं.
I'm looking forward myself to watch Bombay Velvet. I think it's one of the most anticipated films of the year. My friends are working in it. I'm a huge fan of Anurag Kashyap and his work. So maybe in the next couple of days, when I'm over this whole Piku high that we're all on, I'll go and watch the film. As far as both the films are concerned, I think the films are very, very different. And that will have a different kind of audience, and Piku has a different kind of audience, and it's very easy in today's time for different kinds of films to coexist very comfortably. आप आए हैं तो obviously मैं enjoy करूँगी.
Deepika, which role has intrigued you more in Dil Dhadakne Do, Priyanka's or Anushka's?
I think it would be very unfair to say which one is this thing. As a film, as a whole, to me it's looking very, very exciting. On paper, when I read the script, I think every character contributes equally to the success of that, to that film and what that film will become eventually. So yeah, it's never really the size of the role, but how special you make it. लोग फिल्म में मेरी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, but I will give him the credit for that because I think he has just made me look like a much better artist and a much better performer. I think when you're working like people like Amit Ji, when you're working like with people like Irfan, they bring out the best in you, and I consider myself extremely fortunate कि मुझे अमित जी और इरफान दोनों के साथ एक ही फिल्म के अंदर काम करने का मौका मिला. A lot. I'm sure you've seen the film, and there's a lot of comic moments, and as actors it's very difficult to keep a straight face and do that because just the same way the audience is finding it very funny, we also find it really funny, but we still have to go there and do it like a scene, perform it like a scene, so it was really difficult. In fact, in one of the scenes, nobody has picked it up yet, but in one of the scenes I'm actually smiling throughout when I'm not supposed to. because I found one of the scenes really funny and I couldn't control myself.
Deepika, on an ending note, you have said Sultan and Shruti together, right?
Huh?
Both the movies together. Sultan and Shruti.
Huh?
You are in both of them.
No. The only films I have right now are Tamasha, which is releasing on the 27th of November, and I think Bajirao Mastani will release on the 18th of December, I think. And that's it. I haven't signed anything after that.
Your days are too early, mine are pretty old. They've been accepting it for a very long time.
रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है सर ऑडियंस इसका
ऐसी खबरें आ रही थी पिछले 2 दिनों में कि आपकी तबीयत कुछ खराब है, क्या ये सही है?
ऐसा लग रहा है आपको ठीक है? तो बस वो ठीक ही है।
हमें जी सिनेमा का जो स्वरूप बदला है, जो नए तरीके का सिनेमा लोगों के पास आ रहा है, उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
उसके बारे में ये बताएंगे।
सर थोड़ा सा आप
नहीं, इन्होंने बनाया ना, हमने थोड़ी ना बनाया।
शूटिंग के दौरान इतना बिजी होने के बावजूद भी अपने आप को फिट कैसे रख पाते हैं? तो फिटनेस के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
फिट कैसे रखते हैं? बस आम जिंदगी बिता रहे हैं और क्या, कोई इसमें खास बात नहीं।
तो भी सर ऑडियंस के लिए सर फिटनेस के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे सर, ऑडियंस को कैसे मतलब अपने आप को फिट रखा जाए?
कुछ नहीं करता हूँ मैं फिटनेस के बारे में, आपको देख लेता हूँ, फिट हो जाते हैं।
So, but some people will reach you well, sir, even now, even after the movie released next week. So even now, so the buzz is going on, box office collection is good. So how do you feel at the moment? So
Good,
the
really
time when
good.
you started, so do you ever realize that yeah,
No, we never expected it to do so well, but I really want to thank all the audience and all the people that have gone and seen it, because it is the audience that has made this film, and I'm sure Shujit will agree with that.
हमें जी कल आप स्टेडियम में स्पॉट किए गए, तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर में कोई टीम आप स्पॉन्सर करेंगे?
नहीं, अब वो हमारी हैसियत नहीं है टीम को स्पॉन्सर करने की, लेकिन कल का मैच कुछ बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण गेम था, पहली दफ़ा मैं गया वहाँ।
अभी जी इरफान और दीपिका के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ऐसा तो स्टार
बहुत ही सक्षम कलाकार, और मेरे लिए बड़े गर्व की बात है कि उनके साथ काम करने का अवसर मिला मुझे। और दीपिका को क्या कहें, हर फिल्म में वो इतना खूबसूरत अभिनय कर रही हैं, कितने छलांग मारी उन्होंने इस दिशा में, ये अद्भुत है। और इरफान तो बहुत ही सक्षम कलाकार हैं, उनके साथ काम करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। ना बोलते हुए भी बहुत कुछ बोल जाते हैं वो।
अमित जी कोई और ऐसी फीमेल एक्टर है बॉलीवुड की जिनके साथ आप काम करने की इच्छा रखते हैं?
जितने भी हैं सब के सब उनके साथ काम करने की इच्छा रखते हैं।
सर डांस के आराध्या भी उनके साथ ही है, तो वो भी देखो।
Do you think that women-oriented movies are now finally accepted by audience? So,
But they always were.
no, but nowadays people are actually loving it. That's
No, your days are too early, mine are pretty old. They've been accepting it for a very long time.
रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है सर ऑडियंस इसका
ऐसा लग रहा है आपको ठीक है? तो बस वो ठीक ही है। उसके बारे में ये बताएंगे। नहीं, इन्होंने बनाया ना, हमने थोड़ी ना बनाया।
शूटिंग के दौरान इतना बिजी होने के बावजूद भी अपने आप को फिटनेस के बारे में भी बताइए।
फिट कैसे रखते हैं? बस आम जिंदगी बिता रहे हैं और क्या, कोई इसमें खास बात।
अभी सर ऑडियंस के लिए सर फिटनेस के बारे में भी बताएंगे सर, ऑडियंस को कैसे मतलब क्या फिट रखा जाए।
कुछ नहीं करता हूँ मैं फिटनेस के बारे में, आपको देख लेता हूँ, फिट हो जाते हैं।
So, but some people did so well, sir, even now, even after the movie released next week. So, even now, the buzz is going on, box office collection is good. So, how do you feel at the moment? Seeing
Good,
the
really
time when
good.
it started, so do you ever realize that,
No, we never expected it to do so well, but I really want to thank all the audience and all the people that have gone and seen it, because it is the audience that has made this film, and I'm sure Shujit will agree with that.
So, but apart Sujit,
स्पॉट किए गए तो हम ऐसा माने कि इन फ्यूचर में कोई टीम आप स्पॉन्सर करेंगे?
नहीं, अब हमारी हैसियत नहीं है टीम को स्पॉन्सर